tried a simple step and the outcome surprised me in a good way. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm taking you along with me on a full wash day routine. This wash day routine really taught me something new about my hair and I'm excited to share it with you. If you are on a natural hair journey, this video will encourage you and help you understand your hair better. So let's get started. Before starting my wash day, I begin with a prepo. Prepo simply means pre-shampoo treatment, something you apply to your hair before using shampoo. It helps you protect your hair from dryness, makes detangling easier and prepares your hair for washing process. Many shampoos can strip the hair of its natural oils, so doing a prepo first helps your hair stay soft and moisturized even after shampooing. For my prepo today, I'm using my homemade flaxseed gel. This gel gives amazing sleep. It helps the brush glide through my hair without pulling or breaking it. It also adds moisture, shine and softness right from the beginning. As you can see, I'm working in sections. Working in sections makes everything easier. Less stress, less breakage, less tangling. If your hair is thick or gets knotty quickly, please try washing in sections. It truly helps. Benefit of Prepo. Prepo prevents dryness during shampooing. Prepo reduces breakage. Prepo makes detangling easier and faster. It adds moisture to your hair before washing. It protects your hair from stripping shampoos. It helps maintain softness and shine, and it makes wash day more manageable. This step made a big difference in my result today, and it's one of the reasons my hair turned out soft and manageable. After prepo, it's time to shampoo. One important thing I always focus on first is my scalp, because this is where dirt, sweat and product buildups accumulate. A clean scalp is essential for healthy hair growth and overall hair health. Once my scalp is clean, I move on to wash the body of my hair from root to tip. This ensures every part of my hair is clean. I also continue working in sections. Washing in sections keeps my hair organized and make it easier to manage, especially for thick or coily hair. This method really surprised me. My hair felt so soft and tangle-free after washing. step for natural hair. Deep conditioner gives your hair everything it needs: moisture, softness, strength, elastic, shine, less breakage, easy combing, better length retention. I apply it section by section, making sure every strand is coated. The ends get extra love because they are the oldest and most fragile parts of the hair. After applying the deep conditioner, I will let it sit for a few minutes so it can really enter my hair. When I rinse it out, my hair feels soft, juicy and manageable. After rinsing out my deep conditioner, I let my hair air dry for a little while. I don't use any heat, no blow dryers, no hot tools, because heat can weaken the hair, cause dryness and even lead to breakage over time. Hair drying is the healthiest way to let your hair retain moisture and stay strong. Now let's moisturize. Moisture is the heart of natural hair care. Without it, natural hair becomes dry, hard, tangled, and breaks easily. But when the hair is moisturized, it becomes soft, flexible, shiny, and easier to manage. I start with my leave-in conditioner. As I apply it, I instantly feel my hair soften up. Then I seal in everything with oil. This helps lock in the moisture so the hair stays hydrated for long. If you are struggling with dryness, tangles or breakage, please don't be discouraged. Natural hair is beautiful, but it needs consistent care. Take it step by step, detangle gently, wash in sections, deep condition every wash day. Moisturize and seal in. Treat your ends with care. With time, you will see results. Your hair will flourish. Thank you so much for watching and spending wash day with me today. I hope you learned something and I hope this encourages you to care for your natural hair with love and patience. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Your support truly means a lot to me. I love you all and I will see you in my next video. Bye!